In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable ASAP embeddable help in Zoho Desk. By the end, you'll have a working support widget on your website that gives customers quick access to your help resources. Start by opening your browser and searching for Zoho. Click the official Zoho link to go to the site, then log in with your account. After signing in, you'll see the suite of Zoho apps. Choose Desk from the list to open your Help Desk workspace. In Zoho Desk, look to the top right corner and click the Setup icon, the small gear. In the left-hand Setup menu, find the Self-Service section and select ASAP. This is where you'll create and manage the embeddable help experience for your site. On the ASAP page, click Create New Widget to get started. A setup window will appear. First, provide a display name for your ASAP widget. Pick something clear and recognizable so you and your team can identify it later. Next, add a name and description for your category and choose the departments you want this category associated with. Categories help organize your content and routes, so make the description helpful for anyone maintaining the widget. Then decide whether the widget should be available to all departments or only a specific department. If your support structure varies by product or region, selecting a specific department can keep the experience focused. Choose the support modules you want to include in the widget. You can enable the knowledge base for articles, community for forums, chat for real-time conversations, and tickets for submitting and tracking requests. Think about what your customers need most. Many teams start with knowledge base and tickets, and add chat or community as their operations mature. Now select Web as the platform so the widget can appear on your website. Click Generate to create the widget. After a moment, you'll see a page with installation instructions and a code snippet tailored to your setup. Copy the entire code snippet exactly as provided. Then paste it into the HTML source of each web page where you want the widget to appear. Place it just before the closing tag. That location ensures the widget loads after your page content. If you use a website builder or CMS, look for a footer or theme section that lets you add code site-wide, or paste it into the template for the specific pages you want. Once the code is added and published, the ASAP launcher icon will appear on those pages, giving customers instant access to your selected support resources. That's it. You've enabled ASAP embeddable help in Zoho Desk.